Welcome to Trading Sadhguru. This is a one-day chart of Bank Nifty. So, just today we are going to discuss the plain chart, and later on we'll go with our indicators or moving averages. So, let us look at Bank Nifty generally as a layman, what it has done. Somewhere in the month of mid of June, Bank Nifty ended its downward move and then formed a bottom, and from there it reversed. So upward move, it won't go up continuously in straight line movement. It will go, give up some gains, and again move higher and higher. So this is how till this point high is made. Bank Nifty has moved. This was the swing low previously, somewhere in the June, and this is somewhere in mid of September. From there, we have taken downward directions. So this high, this swing high, is not higher than the previous high. And similarly, if you speak of this high is also not higher than this previous high. So you can call it as, when you're going upward, it's a higher high, higher highs, higher high, and this is a high, and this is lower high, this is another lower high, and this is almost at the same level. But let us look at the exact number where it got stopped out. Here the I is 39,608. Let us write down 39,608. And today's high 39,570. So this is 39,570, just below the previous swing high. So you can call this also as lower high, because this number is lower than this number. So from here, what can we expect? That's a big question on everyone's mind. So if you look at one chart, you may not have the full understanding. So let us go to weekly time frame chart and then see what is happening there. Let me first erase all these things. So now you know on a daily chart what is the pattern it has developed. That is lower high. So going on, we have turned into downtrend based on one day chart. So this is a weekly chart. So what we were talking about here, somewhere here in June, we have formed a bottom, and from here we have broken out. And this is the high made, and every high on a weekly candle is lower than the previous one. And here you can see an upward move and then a lower high. So it has not crossed the previous high. So considering that this is a correction, or market is taking a head and shoulder patterns. Head and shoulder pattern is something like this. You can see a shoulder, then head, and then a shoulder, and from where it is expected to fall. So this is very much possible in the present scenario, because this is a weekly time frame, and you can see that the swing high is also lower than the previous high, and the trend is downwards. Today looks like an exceptional day, considering the fact that all the world markets, most of the major markets, are in deep green. So we also caught up with them, and there was a huge gap up, which was sustained above 39,190, above, I believe, to be exact. So, but the initial gains, that is around 39,500, were not sustained. So Bank Nifty has given up 200 points and closed near 39,300. So will it sustain this time? So that time has to tell. But there are two scenarios possible at this moment. One is for a few days a sideways movement. That would be my second option. And the option which I would like to exercise is market is pending to go down. Okay, so based on this, we will analyze and look for the next levels. So now let us look at moving averages, simple moving average. So here we got a confirmation that market has turned positive because this is 20-day, 20 period moving average, this purple line, and 50 period moving average yellow. Here there was a crossover of 20-day moving average over 50, and here you can see there is a crossover of 100-day moving average, and here you can see there is a 200-day moving average. And since then the 20-day moving average is trading much above all the levels. Look at today what has happened. This 20-day moving average is about to cross 50-day. This yellow line is 50-day moving average from the top side. So it is 20 days crossing 50 days is positive, 20 days coming below 50 days is negative. So what we can expect is in the coming days that this 20-day moving average takes further downward direction, and 50-day moving average becomes kind of flat, and this will even touch this developing 100-day moving average somewhere here. So even from the moving averages perspective, Bank Nifty looks weak and ready to go down. So which are the levels possible for Monday and coming few days? So you can say that 39,100 first, then 38,860, followed by 38,650, 38,525, 38,400, then 38,100. These are till this level we can expect market to come in coming 2 to 3 days, or it may even happen because of this crossover. You may even see a gap down or a huge gap down on Monday. It's very much possible, unless there is any geopolitical or world market positivity, unless it is there and it is impacting us. So normal course of Bank Nifty direction is downward. So these are the levels which we will be looking at for Monday. And on the upside, if there is any surprise gap up, then you may see 39,425, 39,600. So beyond which we are not going. So the possible levels for Monday are 76.25 and 525. And these are very much possible if there is a gap down. So that's all for now. Take care. Bye bye.